Welcome to the API testing with Postman series, where you'll learn software testing step by step with clarity and confidence. If you're someone who is new to API testing or struggling to understand Postman, then this series is exactly for you guys. So in this video, we will understand what an API is in a simplest way to possible and why API testing is important. Okay, so let's get understand API with a very simple real life example. Imagine you go to the restaurant, you don't go directly inside the kitchen, right? So you don't cook your food by yourself, right? You simply give your order to your waiter. Okay, now what does the waiter do? Okay, the waiter takes your request to the kitchen, okay, brings back the food to you. Okay, this is nothing but your response. So if you see here, the waiter is exactly like an API. Okay, API waiter is nothing but your API. Your order is nothing but you are giving a request to waiter, and when the waiter brings the food back to you is nothing but your response. So in technical terms, if you want to say, an API acts as a bridge between two systems so they can communicate with each other. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, when you open weather app on your phone, you click refresh, the app sends a request to server, the server sends back weather data to you. That communication happen through an API. You don't see it, but it's working in the background, guys, right? Now you might be thinking, why do we test APIs? Why API testing is important? Okay, here is why. To make sure the data is coming correctly, to check if the response is fast, it should not too slow, right? To validate if the system behaves correctly. Okay, so that's why the API testing is very important nowadays. So to test API, we used a tool called Postman. Okay, Postman allows us to send requests to API, receive responses, validate data, and the best part is it's very beginner friendly, guys. So no need to worry about this. Okay, so you can download Postman from its official website, install it, create a free account, and you are ready to go. Don't worry, in the next video we will start using Postman step by step. Okay, so in this video we understood what is an API, we see real life examples, why API testing is important. Okay, so in next video we will understand type of API and HTTP methods like post, put, and delete. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Testing Unlock, and post your comment and questions. Okay, thank you.